Hey everybody, welcome inside Weber Pulling Team. Really exciting day today. We're going to get started reassembling my 95 Dodge two-wheel drive 12-valve Cummins. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that's going inside the truck. Then we're going to set the camera up and we're going to get started. Alright, so this all started off as a head gasket job. So, brand new head gasket in place. Some billet fuse plugs. Head is ready to go, complete with some new valve springs. Resurfaced, painted, shined up and ready. While we're in there, we have a brand used On3 Performance intercooler. Probably not necessary, but I got a good deal. And if we ever want to turn it up a little bit more, we'll have it and we'll be ready. Our brand used radiator, just because my original one's pretty crusty and nasty. Some of the fun stuff over here. Here's the head studs. These are some 625s left over from the pull truck. A little bit of overkill for this application, but should work fine. Rocker assembly is machined and ready to go back on. And then on the injector side for some fuel, we're going to turn it up a little bit. This time we're going to go with some 5x14s. These are all done right here by Richardson Diesel Performance. Check him out. He has an eBay account. Check that out. Really good injectors. These got the proper spray angle. Going to make sure the fuel is actually going in the bowl where it needs to. Going to make good clean power. Like I said, probably not crazy 5x14s, but should be pretty good combination with our turbocharger here. This is just nothing crazy. This is just power driven diesels drop-in Aggressor 62. That's a cast 62, 65, 14. Should be a pretty good combination with the 5x14s. Truck had 5x12s in it before and needed just a little bit more fuel. The turbo wanted a little bit more. So we're going to get all that put in the truck. We'll set the camera down and we're going to get started. Yeehaw, boys. She's in place. More progress to come. Alright, little quick update. As you saw, fan off. Got access to do some timing. Intercooler gone, or intercoolers needs to go. Radiator's gone. Got the boots loose. On the engine, injector's in. Everything looked good up here. One quick torque on the head. We're getting there, boys. Slowly but surely. We're making progress. She's looking good. right, so, yeah, not too bad. Slight homicide underneath. Motor looking pretty good. Things coming together. Bumper, as you saw, is gone, so we can get to the front end. Need a new fan clutch, found out. Yeah, won't be too long with making noise. I promise, when we're done. Burnout. 420s, less tread. I promise. Next video, we're going to do some timing. Get the intercooler put back in. Get the radiator in. But she's coming along. She's looking good. Only slight messes on the floor. Only a few tools out. We're looking good. Catch you guys next time.